Jordan brand is setting the stage for the Jordan Trunner OS era, blending retro inspiration with today's lifestyle footwear trends. With sneaker culture shifting from 1980s basketball silhouettes toward 1990s suede-and-mesh runners, the Trunner OS arrives at the perfect time. Designed originally as a versatile athletic shoe in the early 2000s, the Trunner line balanced training, running, and casual use, an idea carried into this revival. Unlike more recent versions, the OS takes on a vintage runner aesthetic with suede-and-mesh uppers, roped laces, and a molded midsole, while staying true to its legacy with the signature mid-foot cuff. Highlighted by the new purple smoke colorway, this release reintroduces the Trunner concept to a new generation. Scheduled to drop in October 2025 at $115, the Jordan Trunner OS is poised to carve out its own place in modern sneaker culture.